Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have skincare empties to share. Oh, all the wipes I did really like. So as a whole, I really like these wipes. And this is the Epipil cucumber wipes. I found these at Big Lots. Really good. Love the cucumber. Very refreshing. These I got at the Dollar Tree, and they're the hydrating facial wipes from Be Pure. They were good. They were a little thinner than other wipes. 25 in this one. There was 30 in here. Although I did like them, I don't think I would repurchase these ones because they were thinner, were a little bit smaller. I didn't notice a huge difference with them. They do have hyaluronic acid in them. They just serve their purpose. Bolero, I have the cranberry and sweet orange. This is some odor wipes, but I have a stock of Bolero, which I'm so happy about because I cannot find Bolero at my Dollar Tree anymore. These are really good. I love the scent of these. You get 30. Really nice. Always super moist wipes. Really good. The Bolero Cleanse and Hydrate Honey Green Tea Seed Oil. I love anything honey. I love the glittery looking package on these. These were larger facial wipes. These are 32 count. These were really big in comparison to the other wipes. I would repurchase these again and again. Love them. One of my favorite Bolero wipes is the Watermelon and Sweet Mint. You get 30. Once again, super moist wipes. Very moisturizing and hydrating on the face. And gentle. All these wipes are gentle. And I love the scent of this one. This is my favorite one. I have the Rich Radiance Cocoa Butter Cleansing Wipes. 25 wipes in here from the Dollar Tree. These were really nice as well. They have a light cocoa scent, and I really enjoyed that. And I just used these to like kind of wipe off and refresh my face versus taking makeup off. I might use them to maybe take a swatch off, but just wipe all over the face in the morning. They were really nice. The Equate Beauty cleansing, well, these are the rose water cleansing towelettes. I don't know if these make these anymore. These were great. These are thick and quilted. These are the wettest wipes in the bunch and totally worth the price. Definitely recommend the Equate Beauty wipes. They are really nice. And you get, there is 40 in this package. Really nice. I missed their coconut wipes though. A couple makeup removers of the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. This is the all-in-one waterproof one. And this stuff is really good. I feel that it's a little rough and harsh on my eyes. So originally I bought it for that. But I've quit using, I would use this on my eyes and wouldn't be able to wear the makeup the next day. I stopped using this on my eyes. Your experience may be completely different, and I used to love this. But now I only buy this product for cleaning my eyelashes. It works really well at cleaning my eyelashes. So I use that for now. And then I have the Neutrogena Micellar Cleansing Milk. And this stuff was fantastic. Highly recommend it. I don't know if they make it anymore, but this is a makeup melting micellar cleansing milk. I love cleansing milks personally and will always purchase them. These are really, really nice. Super nice. Loved that. A newer cleansing milk to me is the Personal Care, and I've already have backups of this one. It's the Green Tea Soothing Cleansing Milk. It smells really nice, and this is super moisturizing and hydrating on your skin. It feels so nice, and it came from the Dollar Tree. This stuff's fantastic. I have this Be Pure Hydrating Gel Cream. And this is still full. I'm passing this along. This burnt my skin. It did not mesh well with my chemistry, I guess. I am not entirely sure. I'm sure it's really a nice product. It's a gel. Yeah, it was just alright for me. It's supposed to be comparable to Neutrogena, I believe. But this product wasn't for me. The Studio Selection Deep Cleansing Skin Cream. I purchased this many times before. This is comparable to the Noxzema Skin Cream. I love that it smells like the eucalyptus. It smells really good. It's a thick white cream, and I just used this to deep clean my face. I love the scent that it leaves behind. I love how it makes my skin feel. You get 12 ounces, and this was under $3, I believe, at the Dollar General. This is great. And I really enjoyed this Dermasil Invigorating Facial Scrub with vitamin E. You get 5 ounces from the Dollar Tree. And it's a deep clean, oil-free, paraben-free, fragrance-free. And it was a really nice scrub. It wasn't overpacked and saturated with the scrubby pieces, which I liked. And it wasn't too abrasive on the skin as a scrub. And I use this 2 to 3 times a week depending on the season. So in the winter I would definitely scrub more. Love this. I would definitely repurchase that again if I find it at the store. The O Chill, and it's like an eye cream, and I did get this from Temu. And I did like this. I felt that it helped with dark circles. It was moisturizing and very good on the under eyes. But my tube broke. So can no longer use this. So still have a full container of it. But overall I did like it. Yeah, I wish the container hadn't broke. And then lastly I have some face mask. This is Hey Honey, and it's a take away the drama, and it's a peel mask. This was pretty good. I got it in like an Ipsy bag, and you just put it on, let it dry. It's gold bronzy color, and then you like peel it off, and it was nice for what it is. I would not repurchase a big one. I have stuff like this already in my skincare collection. It did what it was supposed to do. Face mask. This is from Bolero, and it's a paper facial mask in hibiscus rose. Nice floral scent. All these masks do, like, they're moisturizing, they're brightening. You wake up with like radiant looking skin. Love the Bolero face mask. Same with this. This came from Shop Miss A. That's the brand there. And this is the Watermelon Witch Hazel Essence Mask. I really liked this one. Same thing, moisturizing, brightening, and it took away some of the redness on my face because it has the witch hazel in it. It was really nice, and it smelled of watermelon. Now these two Freeman masks came from Walmart in the Christmas aisle, and we have the Detoxifying Gingerbread Spice, which smelled really good, and the Candy Cane Cocoa, which smelled really good as well. Very festive for this time of year, and of course they brightened, they hydrated, moisturized. They kind of gave me radiant skin, and I really like using these before bed. Really nice mask. Freeman, you can never go wrong with that brand. So that is all my skincare empties. I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, found the reviews helpful. Stay tuned for more videos like these, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. Thank you so much for watching.